Your body is aging every single day. But what if one simple vitamin could slow that clock down, protect your cells, and potentially add years to your life? Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising findings in modern nutrition, a vitamin that researchers now believe plays a major role in how long and how well you live. Most people think longevity is all about genetics or expensive supplements. But the truth is far more hopeful. Your lifespan is shaped every day by tiny biochemical signals, and one essential nutrient controls many of them. And the craziest part? Almost 70% of adults aren't getting enough of it. This essential vitamin is vitamin D, a hormone-like nutrient that powerfully influences aging, immunity, metabolism, and cellular repair. And the newest research suggests it may be one of the most overlooked keys to a longer, healthier life. Let's break down exactly why. Vitamin D deficiency quietly accelerates aging. Studies show that low levels disrupt mitochondrial function, the energy factories of your cells. When mitochondria slow down, everything from metabolism to immunity begins to decline. The simplest daily fix, just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight, can begin restoring your levels. Vitamin D supports DNA protection. Research shows it helps regulate the enzymes responsible for repairing damaged DNA, the same damage that speeds up wrinkles, fatigue, inflammation, and age-related decline. A practical step: pair a vitamin D-rich food like salmon or fortified milk with a healthy fat to boost absorption. Low vitamin D increases inflammation, the silent accelerator of aging. Scientists explain that this vitamin acts like a modulator, keeping your immune response balanced rather than overactive. To reduce inflammation naturally, include foods like turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens that work synergistically with vitamin D. Vitamin D enhances metabolic health. Evidence suggests it helps improve insulin sensitivity, which plays a huge role in weight management and preventing energy crashes. A simple daily habit: take a short 10-minute walk after meals to enhance your body's ability to use vitamin D and manage blood glucose effectively. Vitamin D strengthens your gut barrier. Researchers now understand that many immune cells in the gut depend on vitamin D for proper signaling. When levels are low, the gut becomes more permeable, leading to systemic inflammation. One practical tip: add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi to support a stronger gut environment. Vitamin D improves muscle strength and recovery. Science shows it helps regulate calcium and protein synthesis in muscle tissue, both essential for maintaining youthful mobility and preventing age-related muscle loss. To apply this, do 2 minutes of light resistance training daily, even simple bodyweight exercises. Vitamin D supports brain health. Studies show it influences neurotransmitter production and reduces oxidative stress in brain cells, both of which decline with age. A daily upgrade: prioritize morning light exposure, which not only boosts vitamin D but also stabilizes your circadian rhythm for clearer thinking and better sleep. Vitamin D can boost immune resilience. It activates key immune cells that protect against both infections and chronic low-grade inflammation, two major factors that influence aging speed. To support this process, stay hydrated throughout the day, since hydration improves the transport of nutrients, including vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate hormones that affect appetite and fat storage. Evidence shows it influences leptin and cortisol, two hormones tied to cravings, stress eating, and abdominal fat. One simple tip: include a high-protein breakfast to stabilize these hormones and help your body use vitamin D more efficiently. Vitamin D improves calcium absorption, which protects bone density as you age. Strong bones keep you active, independent, and injury-free. A practical step: add magnesium-rich foods like almonds, oats, and spinach, since magnesium helps activate vitamin D in the body. Vitamin D helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Good sleep is essential for longevity because it's when your body repairs cellular damage. Low vitamin D is linked to disrupted circadian rhythms. An easy habit: aim for consistent sleep and wake times to reinforce your natural biological clock and improve vitamin D utilization. Vitamin D supports cardiovascular health. Research shows it helps regulate blood vessel flexibility and reduces oxidative stress, two important factors that decline as we age. A simple daily habit: Practice slow, deep breathing for 2 minutes to lower stress hormones and support healthy blood flow. Vitamin D contributes to better mood stability. Scientists believe it interacts with receptors in the brain that regulate emotional balance. To boost this effect, try spending a few minutes outdoors each morning to combine natural light exposure with calming nature therapy. Vitamin D plays a critical role in immune memory, your body's ability to respond more intelligently to threats over time. Strong immune memory means fewer long-term inflammatory responses. A quick tip: keep your vitamin D intake steady rather than sporadic for maximum benefit. Vitamin D supports healthy cholesterol balance by influencing how lipids are metabolized. Better lipid metabolism means less strain on your heart and arteries as you age. One practical action: incorporate healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, or walnuts to create the ideal environment for vitamin D activation. Vitamin D enhances overall cellular communication. When cells communicate clearly, everything from metabolism to hormone balance works more efficiently, leading to slower biological aging. One simple addition: stay consistent with moderate daily movement. Even a 5-minute stretch session supports this cellular communication loop. The bottom line is simple: vitamin D isn't just a nutrient, it's a biological signal your body depends on to stay young, energized, and resilient. And today's research suggests that optimizing your levels may be one of the easiest and most powerful ways to extend your health span. If you found this helpful and want more science-backed ways to upgrade your health, longevity, and daily energy, remember to subscribe and join us for more weekly insights that help you live longer and live better.